Hey, this is Darius Davis, aka DJ Process, your intellectual guide, you know. um, so I'm here to talk about my case. I have a case saying that I had an aggravated unlawful use of a weapon, loaded, which I had the gun loaded, no concealed and carried, and I had my foid card. I was pulled over in the Austin area, with which the police came to my car, asked for license, registration, and insurance. Uh, did not have my insurance. Um, then they used that as a way to say that they can search my car, which they really didn't have liable means to even search my car, and they by law they couldn't search my car. But me not knowing the law, I didn't know that they couldn't do that. So they ended up pulling me out my car and finding a bag of weed, which is legal now, so that holds no weight in court. They searched my car and basically found the gun underneath my seat, loaded, nothing in the chamber, meaning nothing in the head. All right, so if I didn't have the gun loaded, they would have just checked my car, found the unloaded gun, and then went about their daily way. But me not knowing enough and not knowing anything about the law, I'm pretty sure they told me that in within the classes, because I do have my certificate for my concealed and carry, but I was waiting on it. But I'm pretty sure I'm not getting that. Uh, so my lawyer, well, let me start here. My first court date, the police officer showed up. He basically just ran down all the things that was was done, and he showed all the proof. He was just basically just stating his claims to why he arrested me. He's basically saying I looked startled, which I didn't. I ain't startled, you know. Then the the judge basically took the case from Skokie, is where they handle all the felony cases, and sent it back to Cook County, which is where they handle all like petty thefts and petty cases and everything. And they sent my case back to Skokie. So my second court date was on Zoom. It was on a Zoom call. My first case was in person. My second one was in on a Zoom call. So they basically just continued it. Now I have a date on the 30th. Now I have a lawyer. His name's Richard Clow. He's a family lawyer. Anybody that's going through the same thing, I suggest that you get a lawyer, because you will have a X on your background. Now, this is my first case. I've never had any type of criminal background after this. Now, the only thing that's in stake right now is my gun rights right now. That's the only thing that I'm worried about. So, if I have anything on my background, I will not be able to carry a gun for the rest of my life. All right. So for those who don't have a background and was to still keep their gun rights if they're caught up in this same predicament, I'm gonna guide you all through my case and show you all how to actually beat the case. Cause I have a A1 lawyer. He got my family up out of a lot of situations, especially my twin brother, my older brother, my uncle, a lot of people. He got a lot of people out of the jams. And basically, yeah, I'm just gonna show you all what's going on in my case, guide you video through video, and just let you all know what's going on. Uh, I have a perk card too. I do have a tan card too, but the company is still holding that because I'm not able to show them a gun because I'm not at this point. Um, it's not legal for me to even hold a gun right now. So I can't go buy a gun. And if I go buy a gun, this is one thing to know too. If you try to go buy a gun while you're going in and out of court on charges, they can use that against you in court too, and they can charge you with that too. Just you even trying to buy another gun is another charge. I think you're liable up to 3 more years on that right there. Um, so that's another case. That's like you going to go take a piss test for a job and you take the piss test and it's dirty. That's gonna be on your background towards the point where other companies can see it. It's just like that. But with that, it's actually a charge though. Uh, so yeah, I'm just gonna keep you all updated on how this case goes. This DJ process, aka my real name is Darius Davis. I will be talking to you all soon and give you all updates along the way of going to my court date. All right, peace.